Oh. Oh. Okay, okay, okay. Ah! Oh. Hey, I'm trying to get crunk.
C-R-U-E-K. Tell them how we gonna go. Tell them why they don't want on. Tell them why they better run. Stand up and get crunk. Stand up and get crunk.
Okay.
Here we come to get you.
Okay.
You better get here we come to get you. A little bit more. Here we come to get you.
Okay.
You better get here we come to get you. A little bit more.
Crank it up.
Yep.
That's what we gonna do. Crank you up. Me and my brother, we came to get crunk. Won't stop.
Nope.
We keep on coming close. We won't quit. That's why we keep bringing hits.
We drop in everything you pop in. From the yin yang twin begin to make your adrenaline pump right on through your skin and make that crunk begin. They were playing a den, but we came on back cause we wanted to win. We jumped out like a jack in the box. I'm like an adder with a fat dude sack in my sock. Tell them how we gonna go. Tell them why they don't want